Section 8.4 has to do with multiplying sign numbers. So if I have two sign numbers and I'm multiplying them, my basic operation is to just do regular multiplication and then count the signs at the end. So 2 times 4 is going to be 8. I have one sign, so that means it's going to be negative. So our rule of signs is, if you have an odd number of signs, it's going to be negative. If you have an even number of signs, it's going to be positive. So if I had -2 times -4, negative times a negative is a positive. So 2 signs positive, 1 sign negative, just regular multiplication. So in problem number 2, I have 4 times -5. 4 times 5 is 20. I have one sign, means it's going to be -20. If I had -4 times -5, I would have a positive 20 because 2 signs. Negative times a negative is a positive. Well, what if I have 3 signs? Let's say I have -4 times -5 times -2. Well, I do regular multiplication. 4 times 5 times 2 is going to give us 40. And how many signs do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 signs. That's an odd number of signs, so it's going to be a negative. So a negative times a negative is a positive. We were multiplying straight across, so that's going to be a positive 20 times -2 gives us our -40. It's another way to do this exact same thing. What if I have 4 signs? -4 times -5 times -2 times -1. Okay, well, 4 times 5 is 20, times 2 is 40, times 1 is still 40. But how many signs do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. An even number of signs, therefore my answer is going to be positive. If I throw another -2 in front of the problem, then that becomes -80. Okay, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signs. It's an odd number of signs. It's going to be negative. So no matter what I'm doing, I'm just going to do regular multiplication and count the number of signs. Let's go over to 37. I have a fraction. Okay, we've done this before. Any number on the top reduces to any number on the bottom. So we're going to pretend there's no signs here right now. We're just going to do regular multiplication of fractions. So it's 1 7 and 7, 2 7s and 14. 1 3 and 3, there are 3 3s and 9. Multiply straight across, I have 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I need to count my signs. I have 1, 2 signs, therefore it's going to be positive. Okay, we've done this before. We're just throwing positives or negatives together to multiply. So let's have about a decimal. Okay, this is a minus times a minus here. Okay, so if we're not sure how to do that in our head, that's okay. Okay, do it on a calculator. I'll use this as an example on this one. So regular multiplication times 4.7 equals, we have 1.645. Okay, and negative times a negative is going to be, correct, a positive. All right, so it's just regular multiplication, count the number of signs. Doesn't matter what they're throwing at you, how many they have, just simply count the number of signs. So again, an odd number of signs, the answer is negative. Do regular multiplication. Regular multiplication, count the signs. 2 negatives, it's going to be a positive. So an odd number of signs, negative, even number of signs, positive. So like here where I had 3, I have an odd number of signs being multiplied together, negative. Even number of, or odd number of signs, negative. This is now a negative, it's going to be a positive. Okay, so regular multiplication, count the signs, you'll be just fine. Have fun with the homework.